Woke up foggy, body's awake, but your mind isn't on board? This isn't just about flexibility. It's about energy, coordination, and priming your body for whatever the day throws at you. Let's hit the mat. This first move hits reset on your entire posterior chain, from your calves to your spine. Stand tall, hinge from your hips, and fold forward, letting your arms dangle. Sweep both hands across your toes from left to right, like you're brushing the floor. Don't lock your knees. Keep a gentle bend and let your head hang heavy. Feel tightness behind the legs. That's where yesterday's stress lives. This sweeps it away. Beginners, rest your hands on your thighs. Advanced stretches, try straightening the legs a little more without forcing. Most back pain starts from tension in the hamstrings. Breathe into the backs of your legs. Hold for 5 more seconds. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. We're moving into motion because flexibility without control isn't functional. Stand tall, drive your right knee up, and then open it out and around. Switch to your left. Alternate side to side like you're greasing a stock joint. Keep your core engaged and move with purpose. This isn't just a warm-up. It's coordination training in disguise. Feel awkward? That's a sign your hips need this more than you think. Beginners focus on smaller controlled circles. Advanced switches, add a slight pause at the top of each knee drive for balance. Did you know this move improves your walking gait and balance? Let's go. 5 more seconds. Keep it smooth. That just woke up your core. Now let's build some strength into it. Now we activate. Forward lunges are the foundation of real-world power and movement. Step your right foot forward into a lunge, drop the back knee low, but keep your chest proud. Push back to standing, repeat on the same side for 30 seconds, then switch, or alternate as you go. This builds control through your hips, knees, and ankles. Beginners, use a wall for support. Advanced stretches, add a slight twist towards your front knee. Do your hips feel tight, or you're just avoiding the range you haven't trained yet? Five more seconds. Drive through the heel and rise tall. That just grounded your lower body. Now let's add bounce to your step. This is your lateral wake-up call. Real-life movement isn't just forward and back, it's side to side. Stand tall, then step wide to your right, tapping the left foot in. Repeat to the left. Keep the knees soft and core engaged. Add some rhythm. Let your arms move with you. This trains agility and reaction speed without leaving the ground. Beginners, keep the step small. Advanced stretches, add a little hop side to side. Here's a fun fact. Lateral movement improves joint stability and reduces fall risk, even in athletes. Hold this pace. Now push a little more for the last 5 seconds. That just rebalanced your rhythm. Now let's finish strong. Let's play a little game. Pretend you're in a race. You versus your old habits. Step your right leg behind your left like a curtsy. Reach your left hand towards your right toe. Pop up and switch sides like you're speed skating through your morning fog. Can you stay low and controlled the entire time? Slow it down and focus on form. Advanced switches, stay low and hover your back foot off the floor. Can you feel your glutes firing? Vast stability being built, one rep at a time. 5 more seconds. Make every rep count.